Hey guys, so I'm really bored. So what do when you're bored and it's midnight? You do your makeup. What I'm gonna try to do, I don't know if I can I'm not gonna be able to do this. Half my face is gonna be like normal makeup, you know, and this side's gonna be extravagant, even though it's not gonna be that extravagant. I don't have tape or anything, so we're just gonna wing the line. Should I draw it? Do I draw it? I can't even draw straight lines. I don't feel like doing foundation, but I know I need to do it for the look. Also, sorry that I look like this. Fine. I'll do it. Guys, there's no point in me doing this. I think I look worse. Okay, whatever. I need better lighting. No, I'm not gonna get it though. I'm gonna do the extravagant one first because I don't know. I've watched videos on extravagant makeup and I just don't understand. You know what? I'm gonna make this a little bit more fun because I don't have makeup wipes in here with me. If I that's on me. I'm not taking it off. Okay? Okay. What did I just do to my eyeball? Yep, this is a one and done thing. This is the more extravagant side, the one that wants to be seen, wants to be noticed, you know? Like, I want people to notice me. This one's the like, I don't want to look like a crackhead and I want to be able to go out, you know, not be seen. Maybe this one's Walmart, this one's Target. No, this one's, forget it. You know what I mean? Noticed? Unnoticed. Okay, if I ever walk out of my house like this, please yell at me. Like, what is this? I'm confused. Far away, it doesn't look any different. Guys, I don't have lice, okay? It's itchy because of this. I don't even know what this is on my head. Chill. If I get this, someone please Venmo me $10. Alright. To everyone who does this every morning to just go anywhere, I applaud you. Okay, it's extravagant, so I'm gonna wing it hard. What? I want it to be pointy. Sure, I don't care. Okay. You know what, you guys? I touched my forehead with it, but I think it looks cool, you know? You're adding that extra pizzazz, so I'm just gonna leave it. Why not? What? I'd come up to me. I'd come up to me if I saw me at a club. Yeah, this side's easy. Okay. I actually think this is a look. I feel so two-faced. Oh my god. But there you have it. To be seen, not to be seen in public. There you go. Bye. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. No, seriously though, thank you. RSQUARE Media. Be seen or not be seen. Hit the subscribe button and all your dreams will come true. If you dream of watching cool videos like this.